Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to discuss about the addition of fraction. We have already done this lesson in the class and you know what are fractions. Fractions are the numbers which have numerators and denominators, right? Can you say some examples for fractions? Examples for fractions. 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 11 by 13. Can you see the numbers 3 by 5, 5 by 7, 11 by 13? They are not same like the normal numbers, right? They have one numerator and a denominator. So what are numerators and denominators? The number which comes above this line is called numerator, and the number which comes below this line is called the denominator. So numerator. So for the this number, which is the numerator here, for 3 by 5, 3 is the numerator. What is the denominator here? Here it is 5. So same like in this second example, 5 by 7. You can see 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. And here it is 11 by 13. This 11 is the numerator and 13 is the denominator. So I think it's clear for you. Okay, now how we will add the fractions? First of all, we will discuss about the like fraction. We already discussed this in the class. I think you remember it. Do you have any idea about the like fractions? Like fractions are the fraction which has the same denominator. For example, 7 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 10, 9 by 10. See, in these fractions you can see the denominators are the same, that these numbers are the same. Like these fractions we are calling like fractions. They are like fraction which has the same denominators. Now another type of fraction, that is called unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Examples: 1 by 2, 7 by 9, 3 by 5, 12 by 15. See, in these fractions we can see the denominators are different. See, 2, 9, 5, 15, they are different. So they are called unlike fractions. So we have two types of fraction: like fractions, they have the same denominators, and unlike fraction, they have the different denominators. Now we are going to discuss about the addition of fraction. Addition of fraction. First of all, we will discuss about the addition of like fractions. Example: if you want to add the fractions 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, they are like fractions because they have the same denominators. So when you get the fractions like this fraction, so what you will do, you can add the numerators directly, that is 1 plus 3. You can add the numerators directly, 1 plus 3 whole divided by this 5. You can keep the denominators as common. So 1 plus 3, that we got 4 by 5. This is very easy to calculate because we have the same denominator, just need to add the numerators only. Another example: 5 by 17 plus 9 by 17. So in this example also we can see 5 plus 9 divided by 17 is equal to what? What is 9 plus 5? It is 14 divided by 17. So I think this is clear for you. When you add the like fraction, just need to add the numerators and keep the denominator as the common. Okay, like this only. I think this is clear. Now let's go to the unlike fraction. Example: what is unlike fraction example? Let's keep 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. See, they have different denominators. This 1 by 5 plus 3 by 10. How we will add these fractions? We cannot add these fractions same like fractions. So first of all, if we have the denominator as the same number, we can add directly. So we have to think about that how we can change the denominators as same. How we will do? See, this is the 10 and this is 5. I think it is easy to make this 5 to 10, right? So first of all we will take 1 by 5. This is equal to, when I multiply the both numerator and denominator by 2, I will get the same denominator, right? So look here, 1 multiplied by 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 2. So I got 2 by 10. See, this 1 by 10 I made it as 2 by 10. So what does it mean? I got the same denominator. So we can write the sum as, instead of 1 by 5, we can write this 2 by 10. So this becomes 2 by 10 plus 3 by 10. That becomes what? We can directly write because we have the like fractions now. So 2 plus 3 divided by 10. This is 5 by 10. Obviously we know 5 by 10 we can reduce into 1 by 2. Okay, now we have another example. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 3. How you can do this one? So this is the second example. We have different denominators, 6 and 3. So better to make this 1 by 3, this 3 as 6. So what will become 1 by 3? I can multiply by 2. So 1 times 2 divided by 3 times 2, that is equal to 2 by 6, is it? So instead of this 1 by 3, I can write 2 by 6. So this becomes 5 by 6 plus 2 by 6. What is it? 5 plus 2 by 6. This is 7 by 6. See, look this fraction. This is 7 by 6. Do you notice anything? See, this is the number which comes above. That means the numerator is bigger than denominator. That is, 7 is bigger than 6. This type of fractions we call improper fraction, because the number which comes above the line is bigger than the lower number. So improper fraction. So when we get the improper fraction, we will change it as a mixed number. So what we will do, this 7 by 6, we can do like this, 7 divided by 6. Okay, so in the 7, 6, how many times it will go? It will go only one time, 6, and we will write like this, we will subtract, and this becomes 1. So this is the number which we are writing here, thus we call quotient or Q, and this is the remainder, R. Okay, and this is the divisor which we call D. So we already discussed in the class, we can write, how we can write Q R divided by, this is an easy method to remember how we write as a mixed number. So what is the quotient here? 1. What is the remainder there? 1. What is the divisor there? 6. So we can write like 1 by 6. This is a mixed number. Why it is called a mixed number? Because it has an whole number and a fractional part. It has two parts, one whole number part and one fractional number part. Which is the whole number here? 1 by 6. So 7 by 6, we can write it as 1 by 6. I think this is clear for you, and I will make a worksheet for this one. You can do, you can solve that worksheet, and if you have any doubt, you can send message to me. I will help you how to do. Thank you.